If you're experiencing login issues on ZIP 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you identify common issues and provide solutions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try accessing other websites or applications to confirm that your internet is working properly. If you're using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired connection or resetting your router. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can cause login problems. Clear your browser's cache and cookies to remove any outdated information. After clearing, restart your browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions may interfere with the login process. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and attempt to log in again. If this resolves the issue, consider re-enabling extensions one by one to identify the culprit. Step 5. Update your browser or app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of your web browser or the ZIP 2026 app. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues. Check for updates and install them, then try logging in once more. If you continue to experience issues after following these steps, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.